Alright, there's our first fish today in our casting blast. It's a nice little walleye. Might be a Saugeye, I don't know. I'll have to. It's got that white tip on its tail, so it's probably a walleye. We shot some ducks this morning and now we're catching some fish. Lucky shad, huh? Using these little shad, I mean little, and I'm tipping this Ruben Flores jig. It's a 3/8 ounce, and dragging the bottom, and we're picking up walleye and white perch and hybrids. We've already shot a few ducks this morning. Like a long cast, let it go down to the bottom. That's where walleye feed at, and just drag the bottom. I think there's Saugeye in this lake too. I'll have to see what we're catching really. Walleyes have a white tip on their tail. Oh, he got off. There's a big school of white perch here, you see? Oh, they're just, here, let me show you. It's all white perch. I mean, how can you miss on a deal like that? See there, that boy? He's already got one. Look at that. Get him, Tristan. Put that dude in. And I'm sitting here and I got one on me. Let's see what you got.
My shad's still alive.
Yeah. Good job, buddy. I mean, that is white perch right there, buddy. You did. I seen that. Did you get him? Well, go back out there on him, because these white perch are small. It's hard for them to get it all in their mouth. Yeah, you can almost kind of whine until they really start pulling hard. Then you'll know they're on there. Got him that time? Yep, that's a white perch. Gone off. Got that one. Oh, this is something bigger here. Don't know what this is, but It's got some shoulders on him. It's pulling hard. That's a hybrid. Has to be. Oh yeah.
Oh god, hold on the snap.
Hybrid. Bring it in. What, you got, a hybrid?
Yep.
Let's see what you got, buddy. It's a nice one. Yeah, we'll keep him. All right, we're on them. It's hard to throw in that wind. Oh, it's like 30. Already got something. I don't know what that is. Feels like a walleye. You want to bet it's a walleye? If it is, get the net. Get the net. Walleye. We like catching walleye. There you go. Bring him on in. Heck yeah. I have to see if that was long enough.
What?
Yeah.
You ruler?
No, I don't. I think it's going to be this one's lucky day. There's one. I don't know what that is. It's a fighter. It's a fighter. Probably a hybrid. Go straight out there on the bottom. Might have to get a net on this one. Those are hybrids. Yeah, keep it out of the trolling motor. Nice hybrids. Yeah, buddy. Get them in there. Be able to get it off? Okay. I need to chat too. Ah. Hybrid. Our home plate.
You're trying to catch one.
Yeah, I tried all summer.
one that you caught.
Did?
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
I saw it just fly up.
Get the net on this one. Yeah. That's a nice one on there. You gotta be careful because they keep wanting to lick them.
I like to watch it.
I want you to catch them because I can't catch but 6. That's my limit. You gotta catch some of those. These fish are skinny long. There he is. There. It's a walleye. Get the net, buddy. You like that structure? It's okay. He's a little. Pull this one back. Might be a Saugeye. It's a little bit on the small side. A little bit on the small side. I don't think it's long enough. Here it is.
Hopefully it's a walleye. Was it like 20 inches? What are you about to do?
Let me get my chart.
I think Daddy might want to do that.
Yeah? See what you got. Oh, you got a walleye. Hang on, little buddy. Don't put your fingers in his mouth. Straight on there. Little buddy got a walleye. Comes one. Look. There he is. There's another one right down there too. This is gonna be a good walleye. Nice. Yeah, we gotta see where we're at and how many I've caught. I'm allowed one more. Nice walleye. White tip on their tail. I don't know. I have to look. Some of these might be Saugeyes. Saugeyes. I don't know. They got the notch in their tail, so I'll do some investigating. There's some walleye right below us. And I got oh. That's up there. Those are hybrids. Hybrids. I think we caught enough here, so I'm going to turn this one loose. That's all right. You can see these fish swimming through on Livescope. They're just jigging up and down. It's a pretty impressive day, actually. You know, Oklahoma, they got a pretty good stocking program, but you know, certainly, I mean, they're tough still. So when you catch 3 walleye in a row, you've done something in this state. Well, we had a pretty good day today. We're going to wrap things up and get Tristan to work. So we're going to line them up here and get a picture of them. It's been windy today. This was our cast and blast. Shot some ducks, and yeah, it's a good one. Is it? What's he want? 8 walleye and a whole bunch of hybrids and stuff. We didn't hardly keep very many of the hybrids we caught, so it slowed down for a little while. Anyway, shot a few ducks this morning. I'll put some of the Shotkam footage on. I didn't do a very good job filming the bird hunt this morning. Kind of a cast and blast out here on Sooner Reservoir. Before I get out of here, I want to show you guys kind of the rules and the process of duck hunting out here. So, okay.
Thanks for watching Starkey Outdoors. Like and subscribe to our channel, please.